Hello everyone, my name is Lupe. I'm one of the sales professionals here at Porsche Colorado Springs. Today, I'm going to show you how to operate adaptive cruise control on your Porsche Macan. This one's a 2025, but it's going to be the same for 2022 on up. I love this feature. I hate driving in stop and go traffic, so I just let the car do it for me. If you're wondering if yours has it, I'm going to show you. So along the front of your Macan, in the center, you're going to notice a black eyeball looking sensor. Or you can look at the inside of your car. On the left side of the steering wheel, you're going to notice this lower stalk. If you have this toggle in the center, you have adaptive cruise control. To turn it on and off, it's super simple. You just press the button on the outside. That's going to bring up this screen right over here. These three little indicators means that cruise control is now on. It's not set, but it's on. To set it, it's super simple. You just press this stalk forward and that'll set it at the speed and accelerate. To decelerate, you pull it back towards you. Super simple. Press down, that'll turn it off. Press up, that'll resume it. And to change the following distance, that's super simple. You just adjust the toggle and that'll either shorten the following distance or lengthen the following distance. I hope this video helps. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help. Again, my name is Lupe here at Porsche Colorado Springs, and I'll have my number in the description below. Bye-bye.